I kept hearing the same comment over and over again. Why pay for expensive AI video generators when Wan 2.7 exists? Honestly, I didn't believe it. Premium AI tools cost real money for a reason, right? Better quality, better motion, better results. So I decided to stop reading opinions and run my own test. I gave Wan 2.7 the exact same prompts I normally use with premium AI video generators. Same cinematic scene, same product commercial, same YouTube B-roll idea. No special tricks, just a fair comparison. The first result caught me off guard. Was it perfect? No, but it was much closer to the premium tools than I expected. The camera movement looked natural. Characters stayed fairly consistent. The lighting felt cinematic. For a moment, I actually forgot I was testing a model that many people overlook. Then I started pushing it harder. Longer prompts, action scenes, different art styles. This is where the differences started to appear. The premium platforms still felt more polished. They handled difficult scenes more consistently and usually needed fewer retries. But here's what surprised me. The gap wasn't nearly as big as I expected. Now here's what nobody tells you. People spend too much time comparing AI models and not enough time improving their prompts. I generated one average video with a lazy prompt. Then I rewrote the same prompt with better scene descriptions, camera angles, and lighting. The second result looked dramatically better. Same model, same settings, better instructions. That taught me something. The user often matters more than the model. So, can Wan 2.7 beat premium AI video generators in every category? No, not yet. But can it compete? Absolutely. Especially if you're creating YouTube videos, marketing content, product ads, social media clips, or client work on a limited budget. For freelancers, startup founders, agencies, and creators, that's a much bigger deal than people realize. My final opinion? Don't judge Wan 2.7 by its price. Judge it by the results you can create, because the AI video space is changing so fast that today's budget model can sometimes outperform yesterday's premium platform. And honestly, that's exactly why Wan 2.7 deserves your attention. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.